Yummy, yummy! Ang aking ulam. Ayan, pinagluto natin dahil darating si Kuya Rami na, ayan, pinagluto natin siya na swam na mais. Ayan, guys. More gulay, bulaklak ng kalabasa, at saka malunggay. Yummy, yummy, guys. Vegetable is life, guys. Yummy, yummy. At magpiprito tayo ng katerno niyang chiji or galunggong. Yan, guys. Piprito natin yan. Yummy, yummy. Tikman natin. Refreshing. Yan ang aking version of swam na mais, guys. Yummy, yummy. Kain tayo. Ayan.